Today I have Flo here and we are going to do challenges. And today we are doing the yoga challenge. And I heard this is kind of a hard challenge, but we're going to try.
We just looked up a few poses, so Jen, show them the first one.
This is our first pose that we need to do. Alright, I'm going to do this and you're going to do that.
Okay, so
I need to make a mountain. Like this. Then you need Are you doing it? Okay.
I want to see that.
Alright, so that one was okay. Right, now the next one.
Okay, this one looks a little bit.
We have to do this. Okay.
Wait, so what is it?
I have to go like this, and then you have to put your hands on your knees, and I'm gonna lift up one of your feet. How about we just do it where I lift up both, then you can put one up if you want. So put your hands on your knees. Okay. Now, which foot do you want me to use?
This one.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait, hold on to it good.
I am. Close enough.
Okay. Next, Jen.
What? This one's easy. Okay, next we're doing this one. Stop me on the bottom. No, your leg's straight. Oh, let's see if you can get your legs straight with the line. Okay? Not that line.
Still like that.
Line it. Okay.
Line it.
Okay.
We're not doing that one, Jen. Why are we gonna do
No, I said
that?
we were gonna try this one.
Okay, we'll try it out. Jen, I can't do that.
Okay. So you have to be there and I have to be here.
Oh, Jen, you're not supposed to be on your ass.
You ready?
I'm like, no. Next one. Oh, so the square. This is like the square.
Okay. Alright.
So what?
So I like this. And you come down here. You gotta put your No, you're supposed to put your hands on.
Oh,
Then-
okay,
hold on, go down. You're supposed to put your hands there. Yeah. Do it again. Do it again.
Jen?
Yeah, we almost had it. Go up all the way on
Do a different one. Do a different one.
Okay, this one.
Alright, this one actually shows you how to do it, but it could still fail.
You're supposed to do this and lift up your partner up there. So, come here. Which way do you face? Okay, backwards. Okay, and then
I'm scared, Jen.
give me your hands. Put your hands up here. Okay, and then you
Jen,
guys.
what the heck?
No, you're not supposed to hold hands.
Oh. Okay, ow! I think my arm popped out of socket. Next one, please.
I heard something.
Is that all?
I don't know.
That's all.
That was it. Okay, let's try one more.
Oh no.
We have this one.
This will be our last one.
Yep. Okay, so you put your hands. Now turn. Yes. Ah! I can't try first. Wait, just do it back. Go. Okay. Okay. So I guess that wraps up our video. Please like and subscribe. And we'll be doing challenges from now on, different kinds. Okay, bye.
gotta try not to laugh.